Do you ever wonder what the morning routine of a day trader looks like? Well, today I'm about to show you. First things first, I always brush my teeth, go to the bathroom, put my contacts in and get ready for the day, grab my laptop and do my pre-market scans downstairs outside. Next step, you gotta make that coffee for yourself. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna check our pre-market movers. We're gonna see what's moving even before I sit at my desk so that I have a general perspective of what the market's going to do so that I have a better trading session just because I feel more aware of what's actually going on for the day. And then I look to set up long or short positions depending on what the Dow is doing in the morning. So that's what I'm checking right now. Also check emails, respond to people on YouTube and Instagram, post on Instagram. So that's usually what I'm doing at this point in my morning. So I actually got 3 positions that I'm looking at potentially taking already, and it's only 8:30 in the morning. Almost forgot step 3, you gotta water the flowers real quick. Then what I'm doing is I'm basically setting up my monitors so that I can get ready for my trading session. I can have everything laid out on big screens for me and I feel prepared so that when the bell rings, I'm able to get in there and start looking at trades to take. I like to keep it simple. A lot of traders will have a ton of charts up. Personally, with my system, all I'm doing is I trade it very simply. So I just have one chart and then over here I have the Dow being shown here so I can look at the trades I'm taking, my watch list, I have my broker, my scanner, my news, my position size calculator right here, and then over here I'm looking at the overall movement of the market. So I think that this setup is very inclusive and simple, and it allows me to get the information I need so that I can make trades, but I'm not overwhelming myself with stimulus overload so that I get paralyzed kind of in all the information. So now it's time for me to take some trades. Alright, so usually I like to get my morning routine done while I'm in day trades. So I'm waiting on 2 day trades right now. I'm gonna cook some lunch and then I'm gonna go back and check my day trades, see how we're doing. Cooking up some chicken because I'm doing meal prepping because I'm on a nutrition plan right now. So I've been trying to eat as clean as possible. So I guess walking barefoot in the grass actually helps you connect with your inner person. That's what I've heard. So getting a little walk in on the grass. Step outside every once in a while and get some fresh air. See if the mail came in. Oh shit, fam. Gains. So just monitoring my trades right now. Finished cooking my lunch. All right, so I just went and got my haircut. Now basically I'm going to rip some jump rope, and then after I'm gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna look at what happened for the trades today. I'm gonna run you through exactly why I took the trades and the profit on each one. I finished up that workout. Now let's go check on those day trades. All right, so we are back at the desk. We had 3 trades today, okay? 2 were winners, 1 was a full loss, 1 was a full profit, and then the other was a partial profit, meaning that it didn't go to our full profit target, but we still made money on the trade. So I'm gonna basically walk you through my entries. I'm not gonna give away exactly why I did each trade. That would not be fair to people who pay to learn this strategy, but basically I'm gonna show you exactly where I entered and where I got out, and basically just run you through the trades and the P&Ls of each trade. All right, so first trade was on DLTH. I entered the position at 1190 with 572 shares. Okay, pulled down to VWAP right here, and I was able to enter the trade, and then it turned around, ended up going to VWAP, and then ended up coming up and I had to close it out early because it didn't hit my full profit target. Okay, my full profit target was slightly higher up, but I don't swing trade things overnight, so I had to get out of this early. So I got out at 12.47 for a $326 win. Not bad. We're risking $200 per trade, so a 326 is slightly better than one-to-one risk reward. So the next trade was on UNM. Okay, this one actually stopped me out. It was pretty unfortunate because it was not that far from being a profit target. But it ended up poking down a little bit through, and then it actually came down through our stop loss. So we entered this position at 1908 with 1,330 shares. So I risked $200, so I ended up losing $199.5 on this trade. Then it actually turned around and went to our profit target, which, you know, that happens all the time. So, you know, a decent trade. It was fine. It just broke down through it and ended up stopping us out. And the last trade was on LNC. Okay, this came so close to stopping us out. You can see right here, this was our stop loss line, and this is where the price came down to. And this is exactly why I put my stop loss just under a certain Fibonacci level, because this always happens. And you always ended up getting stopped out, and then the trade goes in your direction. So I definitely incorporate that into my system, but today that was definitely a bit of luck right there. So we just squeaked out through it. We ended up entering the trade at 36.50 with 630 shares, and just turned right around, ended up hitting our full profit target at 37.44 with 630 shares. So we made just shy of $600, $593.2 on this trade. So we were able to take some nice trades. I had a very productive day today, and I was able to kind of show you guys the daily routine of a day trader. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked the lifestyle videos. I hope that you can find some value in this and some tips on trading if you're interested in trading. I don't know how many of you are new to the channel, but if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel, like this video. It helps me tremendously. Okay, I put a lot of effort into these videos, and knowing that people like it and are subscribing and are following me, wanting me to continue making more videos is very, very important to me, and it motivates me to keep going. So anyways, guys, I hope you loved this video, and don't forget to comment below if you have any questions, and I will see you all in the next video.